In Kenya today, many people are searching for simple ways to make extra money without needing millions of shillings to start. The good news is that there are many products you can buy at a lower price and resell at a profit. This business model has changed the lives of students, unemployed youth, office workers, stay-at-home parents, and even retirees. With the rise of social media, online marketplaces, and mobile money services, it has become easier than ever to start a small reselling business from home. Many successful business owners in Kenya started with very little capital. Some began with only 5,000 Kenyan shillings, while others started by selling products to friends and family through WhatsApp status updates. What matters most is choosing the right product, understanding your market, and learning how to attract customers consistently. A good product should solve a problem, have high demand, and give you a reasonable profit margin. One of the most profitable items to buy and resell in Kenya is smartphones and phone accessories. Smartphones are now part of everyday life. People use them for communication, business, school, entertainment, online work, and banking. Because of this, the demand for phones and accessories remains high throughout the year. Products such as chargers, earphones, power banks, Bluetooth speakers, screen protectors, and phone covers sell very fast. A charger bought at 150 Kenyan shillings can easily be sold at 300 Kenyan shillings. A power bank bought at 1,200 Kenyan shillings can be sold at close to 2,000 Kenyan shillings. Refurbished smartphones also bring excellent profits. Many Kenyans prefer refurbished phones because they are cheaper than brand new devices. A refurbished smartphone bought at 18,000 Kenyan shillings may be resold at 24,000 Kenyan shillings or more depending on the model and condition. The best thing about this business is that customers keep coming back. Chargers get damaged, phone covers wear out, and many people like upgrading accessories regularly. If you market your products well on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, you can build a loyal customer base quickly. University students and young professionals are among the biggest buyers of phone accessories in Kenya. Another excellent product to resell is Mitumba clothing. Mitumba has remained one of the strongest businesses in Kenya for many years because people love affordable fashion. Many Kenyans want stylish clothes without spending too much money. Mitumba gives them that opportunity. The beauty of this business is that profit margins can be very high if you know how to select quality clothes. A shirt bought at 100 Kenyan shillings may be sold at 350 Kenyan shillings. A hoodie bought at 500 Kenyan shillings can go for 1,500 Kenyan shillings, or even more if it is trendy and clean. Some people buy an entire bale for 15,000 Kenyan shillings and make over 30,000 Kenyan shillings from it. Mitumba customers include college students, office workers, young mothers, and fashion lovers. Ladies' dresses, children's clothes, hoodies, jackets, sportswear, and sneakers sell especially fast. Many sellers today are no longer depending only on physical markets. Instead, they take beautiful pictures of clothes and post them online. TikTok live selling has become very popular among Mitumba traders in Kenya. A simple phone camera and good lighting can help you attract hundreds of customers online. Beauty products and perfumes are also highly profitable. Beauty products are in demand every day because customers use them repeatedly. Women and men spend money on skincare products, perfumes, body sprays, makeup, wigs, and lotions. This means customers can return again and again if they like your products. A perfume bought at 700 Kenyan shillings can be sold at 1,500 Kenyan shillings. Lip gloss bought at 150 Kenyan shillings may sell for 400 Kenyan shillings. Human hair wigs can bring even bigger profits. A wig bought at 2,500 Kenyan shillings can be sold at 5,000 Kenyan shillings or more. This business works very well online because beauty products are visual. Customers love watching videos and photos showing how products look and work. If you package your products professionally and offer delivery services, your business can grow very fast. Many beauty sellers in Kenya receive orders through Instagram pages and WhatsApp groups daily. Kitchen and home appliances are another great category for reselling. Many Kenyans today want products that make life easier at home. Small kitchen gadgets are especially popular among young families and people living in urban areas. Portable blenders, electric kettles, air fryers, mini washing machines, rice cookers, and food warmers are becoming common in many homes. A portable blender bought at 2,000 Kenyan shillings may sell for close to 4,000 Kenyan shillings. An air fryer bought at 5,500 Kenyan shillings can be resold at 8,500 Kenyan shillings. Even simple products like storage containers and LED lights can generate strong profits because they are affordable and useful. Many successful sellers create short demonstration videos showing how the appliances work. A 30-second TikTok video can attract many customers within hours. Customers enjoy seeing practical products in action before buying them. Delivery services also make it easier for people to order from anywhere in the country. Shoes and sneakers continue to perform well in the Kenyan market. Everyone needs shoes, and fashion trends keep changing. Young people especially love stylish sneakers and trendy footwear. Official shoes for office workers and school shoes for children are also in constant demand. A pair of sneakers bought at 1,200 Kenyan shillings may sell for 2,800 Kenyan shillings. Official shoes bought at 2,000 Kenyan shillings can sell at 4,500 Kenyan shillings. Sandals, slides, sports shoes, and children's shoes also move quickly depending on the season. Shoes can be sold physically or online. Good photos and proper packaging make a huge difference. Customers are more likely to buy from sellers who look professional. Some resellers even brand their packaging to make their business appear bigger and more trustworthy. Refurbished laptops have become a goldmine in Kenya because many people now work online or study remotely. Students, freelancers, content creators, graphic designers, and office workers need affordable computers. Brand new laptops are expensive, so many people prefer refurbished devices. A laptop bought at 18,000 Kenyan shillings may be sold at 28,000 Kenyan shillings. Some premium laptops bring even higher profits. Many buyers look for brands such as Hewlett-Packard, Dell, Lenovo, and Apple because they are reliable and durable. Trust is very important in this business. Customers want to know the laptop is in good condition. Offering free software installation, laptop bags, or short warranties can help increase customer confidence. Referrals are also powerful in this market because satisfied buyers often recommend sellers to friends. Furniture and household items also offer strong profits. Many people moving into new houses want affordable furniture instead of expensive showroom products. Used sofas, beds, office chairs, dining tables, wardrobes, and television stands sell very well. A sofa bought at 12,000 Kenyan shillings may sell for 20,000 Kenyan shillings after cleaning and minor repairs. An office chair bought at 2,500 Kenyan shillings may be resold at 5,500 Kenyan shillings. Some people even make money by buying old furniture, repairing it, repainting it, and selling it at higher prices. Facebook Marketplace has become one of the most popular places for selling furniture in Kenya. Good photos and clear descriptions help attract serious buyers quickly. Since furniture is bulky, many customers also appreciate sellers who can organize transport. Fashion accessories such as watches, sunglasses, bracelets, chains, and handbags are also profitable. These products are attractive because they require low startup capital. A person can start with only a few thousand Kenyan shillings and grow steadily. A watch bought at 500 Kenyan shillings may be sold at 1,800 Kenyan shillings. Sunglasses bought at 200 Kenyan shillings can go for 700 Kenyan shillings. Customers love products that improve appearance and confidence, especially trendy accessories seen on social media. Packaging matters a lot in this business. A simple necklace placed in an elegant box can appear more valuable and attract higher-paying customers. Some resellers also work with influencers who advertise products online in exchange for free items or small payments. Gaming consoles and electronics have also become very profitable because gaming culture is growing in Kenya. Young people love entertainment, and many are willing to spend money on gaming devices. Used gaming consoles are especially attractive because they are more affordable. A used PlayStation console bought at 22,000 Kenyan shillings can be resold at 30,000 Kenyan shillings. Bluetooth speakers bought at 1,500 Kenyan shillings may sell at 3,000 Kenyan shillings. Gaming pads, smart televisions, and headphones also attract strong demand. This business requires understanding current trends. Some games and devices become popular very quickly. Sellers who stay updated on market demand usually make better profits. Offering gaming bundles can also increase sales. For example, selling a console together with games and controllers makes the package more appealing. Car accessories are another smart option. More Kenyans own vehicles today than before, and drivers are constantly buying accessories to improve comfort and convenience. Products such as phone holders, car perfumes, reverse cameras, dashboard cameras, seat covers, and LED lights are very popular. A car perfume bought at 200 Kenyan shillings may sell at 600 Kenyan shillings. A phone holder bought at 350 Kenyan shillings can go for 900 Kenyan shillings. These products are small, easy to transport, and simple to market online. Short demonstration videos work very well for car accessories. Drivers love seeing how products improve their driving experience. This makes TikTok and Facebook excellent platforms for marketing such items. One important lesson in reselling is understanding where to source products. Many Kenyan resellers buy products from Eastleigh, Jakamba, Kamukunji, Toy Market, and wholesale suppliers. Others import directly from China, using online platforms and shipping agents. Some products can even be sourced from local manufacturers. It is always wise to start small before investing heavily. Test the market first. Buy a few products and see how customers respond. Learn which products move faster and which ones remain unsold. This helps reduce losses and improves your understanding of the market. Marketing is another critical factor in success. Today, social media is one of the most powerful business tools in Kenya. A simple TikTok video can attract thousands of viewers. WhatsApp status updates can generate direct sales. Facebook groups allow sellers to reach local customers easily. Consistency is important. The more people see your products, the more likely they are to buy from you. Customer service also determines whether your business grows or fails. Customers appreciate honesty, quick responses, and professional communication. If you deliver quality products on time, customers will trust you and recommend you to others. Repeat customers are often the foundation of successful businesses. Many people fail in reselling because they make avoidable mistakes. Some buy fake or poor quality products that disappoint customers. Others overstock items without testing demand. Some ignore marketing completely and expect customers to appear automatically. Pricing products too high can also drive buyers away. Another common mistake is spending profits carelessly instead of reinvesting in the business. Smart entrepreneurs use profits to increase stock, improve marketing, and expand operations gradually. Small, consistent growth is often better than risky expansion. The future of reselling in Kenya looks very promising. Online shopping continues to grow every year. Mobile money makes transactions easier. Delivery services are becoming more accessible even in smaller towns. More young people are also embracing entrepreneurship instead of depending only on employment. What makes reselling attractive is its flexibility. A person can start part-time while still working or studying. Some businesses begin from bedrooms, hostels, or small kiosks, and later grow into large shops or online brands. Success does not always require huge capital. Sometimes it simply requires consistency, patience, and the willingness to learn. If you want to succeed in reselling, focus on products people already need and buy regularly. Learn your customers' preferences. Build trust slowly. Use social media wisely. Most importantly, stay disciplined with your money and keep improving your business skills. Many successful Kenyan entrepreneurs started with a single product and a dream. Over time, they built profitable businesses that now support families, pay school fees, and create employment for others. The opportunity is there for anyone willing to start. The best time to begin may be today.